Fix print quality problems for HP Inkjet printers. HP makes many different printers, with a variety of ink systems, and the troubleshooting steps might vary by printer. For details on how to complete the steps for your specific HP printer, search for your printer model and issue on our HP Support YouTube channel. Before beginning any troubleshooting, there are a few tips to observe that can affect print quality. First, be aware that HP printers are optimized for HP ink. HP recommends that you use genuine HP cartridges. HP cannot guarantee the quality or reliability of non-HP cartridges or refilled HP cartridges. Make sure the paper is appropriate for the print job and in good condition. Some paper might not absorb ink as well as others, causing faded or smeared prints. Plain paper with color lock technology works well for text and documents with graphics. For photos, HP recommends HP Advanced Photo Paper. If you are printing photos on plain paper, adjust the paper type to plain and adjust the print quality to normal to avoid soaking the paper with ink. To change these settings in Microsoft Word, for example, select File, select Print, and then select Printer Properties. Locate the Print Quality drop-down menu, and select Normal. When you are done, select OK. Finally, check to see if you are low on ink. If the print quality is poor, and you are low on ink, you might need to replace a cartridge for quality to improve. Now that we've covered a few tips for quality printing, we can move on to troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Print a diagnostic page. Printing a test page helps isolate problems with your printer from any issues you might have with your PC, your software application, or the file you are printing. To print a test page on HP printers, make sure plain paper is loaded in the printer. For many touchscreen printers, access the Settings or Tools menu, and navigate to the option to print a test page. Depending on your model, the option is titled Print Quality Report. You can also print a quality report from the HP Smart App. If you do not have the HP Smart App, you can download it for free from your App Store. From the app home screen, either double-click or tap the printer image to open printer settings. Under Tools, select Printer Reports. Then select Print Quality Report. There are a variety of print quality diagnostic pages. Most have common features such as color blocks and alignment patterns used for diagnosing printer problems. Step 2. Clean the printheads or cartridges. Once you've printed a test page, it is important to review the results to see if further action is required, such as cleaning. Begin by looking at color blocks on the test page. These blocks represent each of the ink colors in your printer. If you have streaking or faded color blocks on the test page, perform a cleaning. For many touchscreen printers, access the Settings or Tools menu, and navigate to the option to clean the printhead or cartridges. You can also clean the printheads from the HP Smart App. From the app home screen, either double-click or tap the printer image to open printer settings. Under Tools, select Print Quality Tools. Then select Clean Printheads. Some HP printers will have as many as 3 levels of cleaning. After each cleaning, a page is printed. If the problem is not fixed after the page has been printed, try the next level of cleaning. Step 3. Align the printheads. Another common feature on the print quality diagnostic page is a set of lines called an alignment pattern. These lines should appear straight on the paper, as shown here. If they are crooked, you might need to align your printer. For many touchscreen printers, access the Settings or Tools menu, and navigate to the option to align the printhead. You can also align the printheads from the HP Smart App. From the app home screen, either double-click or tap the printer image to open printer settings. Under Tools, select Print Quality Tools. Then select Align Printheads. The printer prints an alignment page. This might take several moments. For some HP printers, there is a step where you need to scan the alignment page. If you have one of these printers, the instructions appear on the test page. Step 4. Replace parts. If cleaning and alignment did not fix the problem on the diagnostic page, the next step is to replace the cartridges, printheads, or both. If your printer is in warranty, your printhead might be too, and you can contact HP for a replacement. Visit support.hp.com/check-warranty for more information on warranty replacement. To view the ink cartridges and the printhead, open the access door for your printer. Depending on your model, the carriage might move to the center and stop. Ink cartridges and printheads have product numbers located on them. You can search for replacement parts with these product numbers by going to hp.com/shop, or you can go to your local retailer. When you receive a new replacement cartridge, remember to peel off the protective tape and remove any other packaging material before inserting it into the printer. For detailed steps on how to replace ink cartridges or printheads for your specific printer, search for your printer model on our HP Support YouTube channel. You can recycle your old ink cartridges by returning them to HP. Visit hp.com/recycle for more information.